In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically create these vertical videos that you can use as YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikToks from your long format videos. We will be using two different AI tools. The first I'm going to show you is Opus Clip. Go to opus.pro, and as you can see here is an amazing tool that is powered by OpenAI. And it can create more than 10 viral clips from just one long video. This tool is incredibly simple to use, and it has an AI curation which is called Clip Genius, which analyzes your entire video and will select the best parts of your video to create this vertical short video. It will give you a virality score. It has AI face tracking, AI keyword highlighter, AI emoji generator, and different tools. It's incredibly simple to use. You just need to paste a YouTube link to one of your videos and click on Get Clips. So once you start to create your first clip, of course, the first time you will need to sign in and create an account. But it will take a few minutes, around 10 or 15 minutes, and you will see your first short clips created. So I'm just going to fast forward this and we will see the results. Okay, so after around 20 minutes, I got an email saying that our clips were created, are ready, and now I'm here in the results page. And as you can see here, we have one clip, 2, 3, and it created 11 clips for us. So these clips are ordered by score. This is the one with the highest score, and this is a viral score that this platform, ranks in the likelihood that this video will go viral on Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. Remember that this is an AI tool, so probably is using AI to determine which is the best clip to go viral. And as you can see here, we have a title that gives rights for each of these clips, a different title. Also, it writes a description. And here you can see these are the captions that you will see here as subtitles. So in each of these clips, you can, if you like it, of course, you can see it. You can preview it here, also with ChatGPT and Canva. As you can see here, I have, these are different duration, each clip. In this case, this one has 48 seconds. This is 38 seconds, 2 minutes. So each clip have a different length. And of course, from here, you can post it, download it, and you can change some preferences. So click on edit. This will take us to an edit page, and from here we can see the captions. As you can see here, the AI highlights some of these keywords like Instagram stories, short videos. And from here you can click on preferences. You can add an intro title. You can change the style for your captions. In this case, the default style is this Alex or Mosley style. You can change the color of the highlighted words. You can modify the layout. By default, it's select with fill, which shows a full video in this vertical format. In this case, to me, because I'm working with an horizontal format, a 16:9 format, I will probably select fit. And then if you are working with a podcast or something like that, this option will be better. So it will split the canvas in two, and it will place one video on the top and the other on the bottom. Then you can change if you want uppercase for all your captions, and if you wanted to generate auto emojis. So once you have made those changes, you will need to click on Save and Compile, and it will generate this clip again for you. So this is Opus Clip. It's a great tool, and of course one of the greatest things is that currently this is a free tool. So now I'm going to show you another tool which is called Vidyo.Ai, and this one is my favorite so far. There are other tools like Manch and other ones, but this is my favorite. So what I like about this tool is that it has also a free plan. Let me show you. Of course, you can access to paid plans, a Pro and a Pro Plus plans, and they will give you more minutes, more quality on video rendering, more storage, different types of support, and of course different features. But the free plan, it's excellent. So I'm just going to show you. Of course, I have my account here. So once you have created an account and you log in, you will see the videos that you have worked on. As you can see, I have worked on many of my videos. Click on upload the file. From here, you can choose and upload directly your video, or you can paste a URL from YouTube and click on start import. And as the same process, this will ask us a few questions about the video clips that we want to create, and then it will start the process. So in this case, we want to create a portrait video. Click on continue. Now it will show us some of the available templates, and in this case, we need to select at least 3 types of templates. In this case, I'm going with this one. So you can see there are many different templates, like this one. For what I can see, there are some new templates here that I haven't seen before. And then let me go back, and maybe this one. And I think we can select more than 3. In this case, I have select 4 portrait templates. So now I'm going to click on continue. It will ask us for some information, but it's absolutely optional. Click on done, and now we just need to wait a few minutes. In my experience, this tool is incredibly fast, much faster than the one I showed you before. So let's go to the dashboard. As you can see here, now it's working on our video. So let's give it a few minutes. I will fast forward this and then show you the results. And after, I think it was like 7 minutes, our video is ready. So let's click here on review clips. And as you can see, we got 6 different shorts created from the long format video. So from here we can see these shorts that have been created automatically using some of the different templates that we picked in the beginning. And of course we can see the videos from here. From here on the right, we will see this menu that allow us to change the template, get the transcription, the AI captions, the video timestamps. From here we can change the format to a square, landscape, or portrait. We can also create a custom clip. We can check the entire video, and in this case, that's also divide the long video in different chapters. So I don't know, let's choose this one, and of course from here we can click on edit. So once we are on the editing page, we can change the template. I'm going to pick this one because this is a template that I usually use. What I like about this is that you can select the different elements on the screen and just drag them, move them around, resize them, as you can see, as I am doing with this video. So I'm going to put this, and I'm just going to show you how this looks. Now we need to choose from each account. If you haven't done this before, you will be asked to connect your account. So as you can see from here, we will see the video, and here we have in this big text the captions, and I can click on it and change the style. I can change the color for the highlighted word. I can edit the titles in case that something is misspelled. I can change the font, and of course change the background, add some effects like a shadow. I can add different elements, backgrounds from here on the left. And what I usually do is click on text, add a new text, and from here I will the title. So I will put this here like this, and just doing this to show you. So this is how video works, and of course when we are happy with the results, we can download the video. In this case, of course, we can save it as a draft. Sadly, in this free plan, you can't save it as a template. It's a pro feature, but if you start using this tool a lot, definitely worth it to pay for one of the paid plans. So that's it, guys. This is Vidyo.Ai. And in my case, this is my favorite tool. There are other tools to create your shorts, so TikToks and Instagram Reels. But in this case, in my personal experience, this is the one that I like because I like the design of the templates and how easily it is to change the templates to make them look as you want. And it has this free plan that offers exactly what I need. It gives you 75 minutes every month. That, at least to me, that's more than enough. So give it a try. Go to Vidyo.Ai. I will leave the link in the description of the video. And I hope this was useful. So if you like this type of content, please give it a like to the video. Leave me any comment or questions if you have any. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.